Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making my version of a Kung Pao Chicken. My husband really likes this and it's a little bit spicy, so it's not really good for the kids, but I usually make them something extra on the side. So if you enjoy watching what other people are making and would like to see me make this Kung Pao Chicken and how I do it, then just keep watching.
Thanks for dinner!
This is most of the things that you'll need for this recipe. For the sauce, you'll need a 1/4 cup of white wine, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of hoisin. And I just don't have shown the 1/4 cup of chicken or veggie stock. And for the Kung Pao, you'll need 1 white onion, 2 cups of bell peppers, 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, marinating in some egg white and cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of each garlic and ginger, 3 dry roasted chilies, and top everything up with some peanuts and green onion and cilantro.